In this video I will discuss crafting your perfect bodyweight workout plan. Hey everyone, welcome back to our fitness channel. Today, we're diving into the world of bodyweight workouts. Now, I know a lot of you are busy and can't make it to the gym, but that doesn't mean you can't get in some great exercise. Even with just a little space at home, you can craft your own perfect bodyweight workout plan. Firstly, you need to know what exercises you can do without any equipment. Think squats, lunges, burpees, push-ups, and sit-ups. These are just a few examples, but there are so many more out there. Once you have your list ready, it's time to write your workout plan. Start by choosing your favorite exercises and create 3 circuits with 3 to 5 exercises each. This way, you have a full workout that doesn't take up too much time, while still being effective and challenging. Remember to mix up your workouts regularly, so you don't get bored and keep your body guessing. You can even create different plans for different goals or days of the week. For example, a leg day circuit or an upper body circuit if you want to focus on specific areas of the body. The possibilities are endless. So there you have it, folks. A bodyweight workout plan is a simple, effective way to stay fit and healthy from home. Thanks for tuning in today. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more fitness tips and tricks. Until next time, keep moving and stay active.